Hi everyone, Fatma here from Addictive Tips, and I'm going to show you what you can do about add-ons that have recently been disabled in Firefox. This is a bug that's the result of a security certificate expiring. Firefox has a hotfix out for this, and there's also one other user-generated solution to the problem that you can try. So the hotfix is applied on Mozilla's end, but you do need to make one small change to your Firefox settings to apply it. So what you need to do is open Firefox and click this hamburger button at the top right and select Options from the menu. From the left, you have to select the Privacy and Security tab and then scroll down to the Firefox Data Collection and Use section. Under this section, you're going to find an option called Allow Firefox to run and install studies. Select it, and for good measure, you have to restart Firefox. This fix is going to take a while to apply. It can take up to 6 hours according to Mozilla. To check if the hotfix has been applied, open Firefox and in the URL bar type about studies and look for this study that you see on your screen. If it's listed there, the fix is working. The user-generated solution at the moment is to disable signature enforcement. So to do this, open Firefox and in the URL bar type about config. Accept the warning that you see, and then in the search bar, look for the preference that you see on your screen. Double-click it and set its value to false. Restart Firefox. And the second this problem is solved, you need to reset the value for this preference back to true, or you're going to be running into a lot of security problems with the browser. There's one other solution, and that's to temporarily load add-ons. Open Firefox and click the hamburger icon at the top. Select Help from the menu. Go to Troubleshooting Information and then scroll down to the Profile folder. Copy the path to your clipboard, and after that, in the URL bar in Firefox, type about debugging. Click the Load Temporary Add-on button and then navigate to your Profile folder. Inside this folder, you're going to see an Extensions folder. Select it, and there's going to be XPI files in this folder. These files are add-ons for Firefox. Select them, and you have to do this one by one, and the add-ons are going to be loaded. So that's 3 solutions, and we recommend going with the one that Mozilla's given because it's going to be far more safer than the other 2. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later with more tech tips.